Get ready for some prehistoric fun. We're about to embark on a roaring good time filled with stomping, counting, and of course dinosaurs. Are you excited? I know I am. We're going to learn and play together in a land where giant friendly dinosaurs roam. So put on your adventure hats and let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to stomp. Hi friends, I'm so happy you're here. Welcome to our Dynamite adventure. I've been waiting for you and I'm bursting with excitement to explore the land of dinosaurs together. We're going to have so much fun learning and playing with our giant friendly friends. Get ready for lots of laughter, stomping, and maybe even a few roars. Are you ready for a dino adventure? Because I sure am. We're about to step into a world filled with towering trees, lush jungles, and of course, lots and lots of dinosaurs. We'll meet all sorts of friendly faces, from the gentle giants to the speedy little ones. So buckle up, hold on tight, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through the land of the dinosaurs. Today, we're visiting a land of giant, friendly dinosaurs. Imagine a world where enormous creatures roam freely, where the ground trembles with every step, and where the air is filled with the sounds of mighty roars. That's the world we're stepping into today. But don't worry, these dinosaurs are all friendly and love to play, who love to count by stomping their big feet. That's right, these dinosaurs have a very special way of counting with their feet. Each stomp represents a number, and they love to stomp along with us. It's a fun and exciting way to learn how to count, and it's sure to get you moving and grooving. Can you stomp your feet with me? Let's try it together. Put your feet on the ground, get ready to lift them up, and then stomp. Feel the ground shake with each stomp. It's like a mini earthquake, but in a fun and friendly way. Stomp, stomp, great job. You're a natural stomper. I can already tell that you're going to be a fantastic dino counting friend. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be stomping like a pro. We'll help our dinosaur friends count from 1 to 20 using our feet. We'll stomp, we'll count, and we'll have a roaring good time doing it. Get ready to learn in a fun and interactive way as we explore the world of numbers with our dino pals. Let's get ready. Wiggle your toes. Give them a good wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. This will help loosen them up and get them ready for all the stomping we're about to do. Imagine your toes are tiny little dinosaurs, wiggling and exploring the prehistoric world. Put your feet on the floor, make sure they're nice and flat on the ground, ready for action. Feel the connection between your feet and the earth beneath you. This will help you stay grounded and balanced as we stomp our way through the numbers. And pat your knees. Pat, pat, pat. This will help wake up your legs and get them ready for some serious stomping. It's like a little warm-up exercise for our dino counting adventure. Now let's practice our biggest dinosaur roar. Ready? Because every good dinosaur adventure needs a mighty roar. Let's channel our inner T-Rex and let out a sound that will shake the jungle. Roar awesome! That was the best roar I've ever heard. You sound just like a real dinosaur. Now we're truly ready for our adventure. When you see a number on the screen, get ready to stomp and count out loud. That's our signal to start stomping. Each time you see a new number, stomp your feet that many times and say the number out loud. It's a fun and easy way to learn how to count, and it's even more fun with dinosaurs. Find a safe space to move and stomp. Ask a grown-up if you need help. Make sure you have plenty of room to stomp your feet without bumping into anything. And if you need any help finding a safe space, don't hesitate to ask a grown-up. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's relax our bodies and minds before we begin. Our feet are ready. The first number is coming up. I can't wait. I'm so excited to see what number it is and how many times we get to stomp. Are you ready to stomp along with me? I know you are. Let's start our Dino Stomp Counting adventure. Get ready to stomp, count, and roar your way through the land of the dinosaurs. It's going to be an unforgettable journey filled with fun, learning, and lots of prehistoric excitement. Let the stomping begin! All right, explorers, get ready to embark on a number adventure. We're going to learn to count with the help of our friendly dinosaur. It's going to be a roaring good time. Are you ready to stomp and count along with us? Here comes our first number, 1. It's a big red one. Can you say 1? Wonderful. Our dinosaur friend is getting ready to stomp. He's so excited to show us how to count. He's got his big foot ready to make a giant stomp. Our dinosaur friend will stomp one time. Ready, stomp, 1. Wow, look at that footprint. Our dinosaur made a big one. Great job. You counted to 1 with us. Give yourself a pat on the back. Next is 2, a bright yellow 2. Can you say 2? Fantastic. Our dinosaur is getting ready for more stomping action. Let's stomp 2 times. Get your feet ready. 1, 2. Look at those footprints. Our dinosaur is making a great job. Awesome. You stomp 2 times with our dinosaur friend. Now, a big blue 3. Can you say 3? Excellent. Our dinosaur is getting ready for even more stomps. 3 stomps. Get ready to count along. 1, 2, 3. Look at all those footprints. You're amazing. You're doing such a great job counting with our dinosaur friend. After 3 comes 4. A happy green 4. Can you say 4? Wonderful. Our dinosaur is smiling because you're doing so well. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stomps. You're a super stomper. Keep up the great work. And now, a pretty purple 5. Can you say 5? Fantastic. Our dinosaur is so excited to stomp 5 times. 5 stomps. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stomps. You're a super counter. You did it. Give yourself a big round of applause. Let's keep going and see what's next. Our dinosaur is so excited to keep counting with you. Get your stomping feet ready for more numbers. The fun never ends. Counting and stomping is so much fun with you. Our dinosaur loves counting with you. Are you ready for bigger numbers? Let's go. The adventure continues. You've counted to 5. That's amazing. You're halfway to 10 already, but don't stop now. We're on a roll. Let's keep going. We have so many more numbers to explore and so many more stomps to do. Are you ready for the next set of numbers? I know I am. Let's see what comes after 5. Get your stomping feet ready because we're about to have some fun. Here's 6, a bright orange 6 like a juicy orange fruit. 6 is a fantastic number, full of energy and ready for action. Let's stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mighty stomps. Feel the ground shake with each stomp. You're doing great. Keep up the amazing work. Next is 7, a rainbow 7, bursting with all the colors of the rainbow. 7 is a lucky number, full of good vibes. Stomp with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stomps, each one more powerful than the last. You're a stomping machine. Now a sparkly silver 8 shining bright like a star. 8 is a number of balance and harmony. 8 stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 energetic stomps. Feel the rhythm and let the energy flow through you. After 8 comes 9, a deep blue 9 like the ocean depths. 9 is a number of completion and achievement. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stomps, bringing us closer to the grand finale. You're almost there. And now, the big one. 10. A golden 10, shining like a treasure. 10 is a number of completion and new beginnings. Stomp with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tremendous stomps. You've reached the top. You did it. 10 stomps. You counted all the way to 10. Give yourself a big round of applause. You're a counting superstar. You've mastered the numbers 1 through 10. You're a true counting champion. Let's get ready for the teen numbers. The adventure continues. Get ready for even more counting fun. Take a breath and shake out your feet. We're going to need all our energy for the next challenge. Here we go. We made it to 11. That's a 1 and another 1. 11. Our dinosaur friend is ready for 11 stomps. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is such a fun number to say. Let's try those 11 stomps ourselves. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You did it! 11 stomps. You're a terrific teen number counter. Let's see what comes after 11. Get your feet ready for more stomping. Counting big numbers is awesome. Are you ready for the next teen number? Let's go. After 11 comes 12, a 1 and a 2. Our dinosaur friend will stomp 12 times. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the thumping 13, a 1 and a 3. 13 stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You're doing an incredible job. Let's try stomping 12 and 13 ourselves. Ready? Go. Next is 14, a 1 and a 4. Our dinosaur friend is ready for 14 stomps. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now the fabulous 15, a 1 and a 5. 15 stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're amazing at counting these big numbers. Let's stomp to 15 together. Ready? Let's go. After 15 comes Super 16, a 1 and a 6. 16 stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now Smiley 17, a 1 and a 7. 17 stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You're making counting look easy. Let's stomp 16 and 17 together. Ready? Go. We're almost at the end of our teen numbers. After 17 comes Awesome 18. A 1 and an 8. 18 stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now nearly there, 19, a 1 and a 9. 19 stomps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You did it! All the teen numbers. Get ready for the biggest number yet. After 19 comes the giant 20, a 2 and a 0. Our dinosaur friend will stomp 20 times. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We made it. 20 stomps. Let's celebrate with a super fast stomp montage. Count from 1 to 20 as fast as you can. You learned so many numbers today, from 1 to 20. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing your counting and stomping at home. Bye-bye,